Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to jump in with both feet and explore a fun English idiom. Imagine you're learning to cook. Do you slowly try one recipe, or do you sign up for a cooking class and try everything? Understanding idioms makes communication easier and more colorful, helping you express yourself like a native speaker. Once, my friend thought jump in with both feet meant literally jumping into something. She was told to jump in with both feet with a new project at work, and she showed up the next day with swimming goggles, ready to dive into a pile of paperwork. Of course, that wasn't quite right. It was a funny mix-up. To jump in with both feet means to get involved in something quickly and enthusiastically. It means committing fully to something, often without thinking too much about the risks involved. This idiom alludes to jumping into water without testing the temperature or depth first, and it has been in use since the late 1800s. It's the opposite of dipping your toes in or testing the waters, which implies a more cautious approach. Sarah wanted to learn to play the guitar. Instead of just buying a book, she jumped in with both feet. She found a teacher, joined a band, and started practicing every day with great passion. Within a few months, she was playing like a pro, thanks to her full commitment. Here are some example sentences to help you understand this idiom better. The wedding will be in 2 months, so let's jump in with both feet and start planning. Our new intern is fantastic. She just jumped in with both feet and immediately started helping customers. He decided to jump in with both feet when he heard about the soccer team, eager to join. Think of a person eagerly starting a new hobby. They buy all the equipment, watch all the tutorials, and practice constantly. That's jumping in with both feet, full commitment from the very beginning. Did you know that jump in with both feet is similar to the idiom jump on the bandwagon? Both suggest joining something with enthusiasm. The origins of jump on the bandwagon come from P.T. Barnum's circus and 19th century American politics. Let's look at some related sayings to broaden your understanding. Similar idioms include dive in headfirst, take the plunge, and go all in, all meaning to commit fully. Opposite idioms are test the waters, dip a toe in, and wait and see, suggesting caution. Related idioms include get the ball rolling, hit the ground running, and kick off, all about starting something quickly. Sometimes, learners might say jump in with 2 foots. Remember, feet is the plural of foot, so it's always jump in with both feet. Don't use this idiom when careful planning is needed. For example, you wouldn't say, let's jump in with both feet and perform surgery. Now, let's test your understanding with a quick quiz. Which sentence best uses the idiom jump in with both feet? A. She carefully considered all her options before starting. B. He hesitated before making a decision. C. They enthusiastically started the project without a plan. The correct answer is C. They enthusiastically started the project without a plan. So, jump in with both feet means to get involved quickly and enthusiastically. Remember Sarah and her guitar. Now you know how to use this idiom correctly in your conversations. Have you ever jumped in with both feet into a new experience? Share your stories in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.